Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to do this quick granny square, and I use Color Crunch double knit for this project. This is what it looks like, very beautiful. You will also need a crochet hook and a pair of scissors and about 10 minutes give or take. You start with a magic ring or magic circle and you secure it with a chain 1 and pull tight. Then you're going to make 5 chain, which counts as 1 double crochet and a 2 chain space. Then it's 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Then it's 2 chain followed by 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 1 double crochet. Two chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. Pull your magic circle of it. Now you're going to do 2 chain, sorry, 1 chain. It should be 2 chain. I'm just counting, I was just busy counting to check if I have all 4 corners. But the 2 chain counts as the 4 corners. One double crochet, and 1 chain, and you slip stitch into the top of the 3rd chain, chain 1. Right. Now you do a puff stitch by pulling up 5 loops on your crochet hook, chain 1, chain 2, and another puff stitch. That is your corner. Chain 1 again, 1 puff stitch in the chain 1 space, chain 1, again a puff stitch in the chain 1 space, sorry, chain 2 space, chain 2 to make your corner. And you're just going to repeat that. At any time you can slow down this video, but I'm going to meet you back there. Now you're going to slip stitch into the top of the puff stitch, and row 2 is done. Row 3, slip stitch into the corner, 5 chain. This counts as 1 double crochet and 2 chain for your corner. Now 2 double crochet in the same space, 1 double crochet into the puff stitch, 2 double crochet into the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet on top of the puff stitch, 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1 double crochet in the puff stitch for your corner, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. You continue with that for the rest, well, you repeat that until you get to the end of row 3, and that's where I'll meet you. Right, slip stitch into the 3rd space, and again slip stitch into the corner, 5 chain, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, right, skip 2 stitches and make a V-stitch, which is 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same space. Skip 2, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same space. Skip 2, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same space. Again, skip 2, your corner, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 chain to make your corner, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. And you're going to repeat this until you get to your chain 3 space. Remember, a V-stitch is 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet. And I just skipped 2 stitches. Right, we're at the edge there. Slip stitch into the 3rd chain space, chain 1, snap, and that's basically it. That is your granny square, and you will see I am going to just work my yarn in and finish this granny square. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you on the next square. I am going to use the square in my next project during the week, where I'm going to make a total of 12 squares and turn it into a bag. So if you are interested, make a total of 12, and I'll see you sometime during the week. That's me finishing up, snippity snip, and I'm doing the same thing for the middle. I just use a crochet hook to work my yarn tails in. I feel it goes faster. Don't forget, you can also slow down this video in the settings. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome Sunday.